Hello Sir J, my name is Ryan J. Umud and I'm excited to welcome you for today's video. So, in this video, I'll be discussing an important topic which is the collection control. I will be sharing some valuable insights and tips on how to effectively manage your collections. I hope you find this video informative and engaging. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of collection control. So, thank you for joining me and let's get started. So, collection control typically refers to the administrative process of managing and overseeing the collection of outstanding debts or account receivable by a company or organization. So, the responsibilities of collection control generally include monitoring and tracking overdue accounts. So, this involves keeping records of all outstanding payments and regularly reviewing them to ensure timely follow-up. Second, contacting debtors. So, collection control is usually responsible for reaching out to customers who have not made their payments on time, either through phone calls, emails, or letters. So, negotiating payment terms. Number 3, negotiating payment terms. The team may be required to negotiate payment plans with debtors to help them repay their debts in a way that is feasible for both parties. 4. Applying penalties sanctions. Collection control may decide to apply late fees, penalties, or other sanctions in cases where customers consistently fail to make payments on time. 5. Reporting and data analysis. Keeping detailed records of all collections activities and analyzing data to identify patterns or trends in late payments is also typically part of the rule. So the goal of collection control is to ensure the efficient and timely collection of outstanding debts while maintaining good relationships with customers whenever possible. So nade ko na interview. So, according to Grace Joy Rambo, the individual whom I inquired about regarding the collection of their work as she works at Panjojoban Lending Corporation in Mindoro City, this includes the steps to be taken when payments are overdue. So, the responsibility of the employees involved in the collection process such as billing, receiving payments, and accurately recording transactions aim to minimize the risk of fraud or errors. So, furthermore, ang uban nga mahakbang sa collection control nga mahimo aron ma-recover ang pondo nga gidispose mao ang mga mosunod. So, isa, regular monitoring. Mao po ni siya ingon ni Grace J. Rambo. Mga accounts receivable sa regular nga basihan aron ma-determine ang mga late payments ug unpaid balances. 2, kay magkuan sila daw sending reminders, pagpadala og mga padayon nga paalala og notifikasyon sa mga customer nga aduna sila outstanding balance. So kini mahimo pinaagi sa pagpadala og mga sulat, email o tawag. So number 3 na po jud di ay sila. Establishing payment plans. Kung ang customer wala makabayad sa usa ka daganan, mahimo ninyo sila suhestyonan og payment plan nga adunay na apil nga mga installment payments aron madali pagbayad. Negotiating settlements. Kung ang customer wala permi makabayad sa bug-os nga balanse, pwede ninyong hagit og settlement agreement diin mo-accept sila og porsyento sa ilang utang isip kabayaran. So 5 napagidi ay escalating collections. Kung ang mga mahimong hakbang dili molihok, mahimo ninyong mag-escalate sa collection process pinaagi sa pagpadala og collection letters, engaging sa collection agencies o filing legal actions na gyud siya. So, number 6. Regular reporting. Regular nga report sa management kabahin sa status sa collections o performance sa collecting process alang sa transparency o monitoring o pinaagi nga pag-implementar sa mga maayong collection controls o mga estratehiya mahimo ni maximize ang inyong pagsulod o ma-maintain ang financial stability sa inyong negosyo. That's all. Thank you.